What's up all my fine girls? No Pimple is Whit here again with another video. So today I am back with another review video and it's going to be on the new Juvias Place Their Culture palette. So this is what this looks like, and this literally just came in the mail like today. And this is the inside of the palette. So I'm gonna go ahead and start priming my eyes. I'm so excited to use this palette. Like, I'm so excited. So I'm gonna start priming my eyes using the Makeup Revolution, their eyeshadow base. So this literally just came in the mail today. And hopefully by the time you guys see this video, it's the same day that I got it. So today is Tuesday and I want to get this video up tonight. I did have another video planned for tonight, but it's gonna be pushed back to tomorrow because I feel like this is more exciting. So yeah, but y'all, this palette came out, was it last week, Thursday or Friday? One of those days. And as soon as I saw it, I went ahead and bought it. I was like, absolutely, you guys know that I collect Juvias Place palettes. Also, I feel like this is like Juvias Place, their first real like rainbow palette. Now they have other stuff in their collection, the Zulu, the Warrior 3, but like this is like the first palette they have that's like rainbow inspired, and where they have different variations and finishes of different colors. Like usually in their other palettes, like one purple, like one blue. This one is like you have different variations of purple. You get some mattes, you get some shimmer. So I'm really excited about this. All right, so eyes have been primed. So let's go ahead and take a look at this palette. So this is what the inside of the palette looks like. And now I'm looking here and they really only have like two deep shades, which is like this dark purple and this dark green. And I'm not sure like what I want to do. And let me see, what is this? Is this pressed glitter? Okay, you get one pressed glitter in here. I don't dislike the pressed glitter, but I wasn't expecting it. So this one is a pressed glitter. This right here, yeah, this is just a regular shimmer. So, I really want to use this shade and like the pink and that green. Y'all. I want to do like everything. All right, so what I'm gonna first do is I'm gonna take this shade right here called Kobo. And you guys know Juvias Place is inspired by like, you know, Nigerian culture. The owner is Nigerian. And so the meaning Kobo is kind of like, it's money essentially. So you know how like we have like our pennies, dimes, like our cents pretty much. Wait, no, what is, yeah, cents. Wait, no, what is the name of cents? Pennies, quarters, dimes. Y'all, I'm losing it. But that's Nigeria's version. So like they have their Naira and then their Kobo is kind of like their currency of like quarters. I'm just gonna say quarters because I cannot think of, I don't even know what I'm trying to think of. Anyways, y'all, this hot pink, y'all, this is intense. Okay, I like this color so far. So I'm just placing this on the inner part of my eye. I think I want to do like 3 colors like going across my what is this thing called? Y'all, I'm forgetting all my words. Crease, my crease, that's what it's called. So I'm just gonna first place them down and then I'll go back. So the next color that I want to take is that purple shade. I'm gonna go into that purple shade, and that is called, what is this, that purple called? It's called Edo, which is a place in Nigeria. And I'm just gonna go ahead and place this here. Like, I love this brand so much. Like, I love this brand. So these mattes are picking up so beautifully. Like, they're just literally gliding on my eyes, okay? And by the way, the brushes that I am using, this is a MAC 217, and then this is a Morphe M441. They literally are the, is it 441? Yeah. Oh, sorry, Morphe M433. They're literally like the same type of brush. And I have another Morphe brush right here as well too. And I'm gonna take this dark green and I'm gonna put this on the outer part of my eye. Y'all, this green, these colors are so like rich and deep. Like, I like this. Y'all, this might just be my new jam for a little minute. Okay, so now that I have all that placed, I'm gonna go into the shade, well, this like lime green shade right here, and I'm gonna use that to blend out this green here. Okay, so you guys, when I see like all these like newer palettes, these newer collections and stuff, I really wish that a lot of this stuff came out like when I first got into makeup, because now I'm at a place where I really own so much that it's hard to like circle back to a palette, you know? But back then, like when like my collection wasn't as big as it is now, like I could literally use a palette over and over. And so I'm looking at a palette like this, I'm like, this is so pretty, you know, but I just know like I have such a large collection. I don't wear makeup as often as I used to, and I'm constantly, you know, trying out new things that I don't really get a chance to like circle back to this and use it over and over. So what I'm even trying to say is essentially I feel like the stuff that they're coming out with these days are like much better looking than like, you know, when I first got into makeup. I feel like there's a lot more options, a lot more deeper color stories, all these like, you know, multi-chromes, and I just really wish a lot of this stuff was out then than now because my goodness, y'all, I would have loved it. I would have loved it. All right, so I need another blending brush. I want to go into, so I want to blend out this pink. I think I'm gonna take this pink down here. I'm gonna use that pink to go ahead and blend out this hot pink. And then I'm going to go back into the brush that I used to apply that hot pink shade, and I'm gonna grab some more of that hot pink shade, and I'm just gonna like, you know, place a little bit more down because, you know, it did kind of get a little bit blended out and lost in the sauce, you know? Just gotta re-emphasize this. Okay, and then taking, where's that brush at? The brush and going back into that dark purple, I'm just gonna go ahead and like just, you know, place this down again because it did get like lost as well too. Sorry guys, my camera, the card got full. I need to buy a new SD card. My other SD card broke and I just have not gotten around to like getting another one, and having to stop like when I'm filming because the card is full is like low-key starting to piss me off. But anyways, I don't even know what I was saying. All right, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and cut the entire crease. All right, so the crease has been cut, and I'm going to now take my brush. I'm gonna go back into that hot pink shade, and I just want to bring this a little bit higher. Did I get purple on this brush? Please, no. All right, so for the lid, I don't know what I want to do. There's so many like shades to pick from. Like, do I want to do something purple, or do I want to do something green? Like this green looks really pretty. That looks really pretty. Or let's see what this one looks like. This purple's cute. What about this pink? I'm torn. Let me see. I think I want to do the green and the purple. Yes. And I want to do them in opposite directions. So I have the green on the outside, so I want to do the green on the inside with a purple closer to the green. That should be fun. Okay, so let's see, which of the purples do I want to use? I think I want to use this purple down here. This one, like I just swatched it a little bit and it's kind of cute. Okay, so let us do that. Let us do that. All right, so I'm gonna go into that shimmery green shade first, and I'm gonna put this on the inner part of my eye. Okay, that's really pretty. And then I need another brush, another brush. I'm gonna go into that dark purple shade that's at the bottom. Ooh, that looks pretty. And place this down. Oh, now this is cute, this is cute, this is cute. Okay, and then I'm gonna go back into that dark green matte shade, and I'm just gonna place this here. Oh, this is cute. This is really cute. Okay, I need like a thin pencil brush. I need like 2 of them. So what I want to do to just kind of like, you know, so I feel like that dark purple kind of got like, you know, just lost. I'm gonna take this on a thin purple brush. A thin purple brush on a thin pencil brush, and y'all cheap ass Morphe brushes. Anyways, I'm just gonna go ahead and like place this down here, and then taking this other brush, I'm just going to, because that whole like pink just kind of got like lost, I am gonna blend it out, but I just want to put a little bit more down too. And then where's that other brush? Y'all, if y'all can only see my desk right now, gosh. And okay, so yeah, this is the look. It's the look. I think I really like those. I think I like this a lot. Okay, but I think I want to add one more thing. Yes, I want to add one more thing. I'm gonna take this, and I think, I I don't know if I want to do either this pink shade or this. Maybe this, because I want there to be a contrast, yes. So let's do that shade. It's called Ashanti. And I'm just going to like place this here. Ooh, okay, okay, okay. And I just need to blend this like up. Now, I feel content. So, as per usual, I'm gonna go ahead and go off camera. I'm gonna do the rest of my face, and then I'm gonna come back so I can show you guys the completed look. And we're gonna go over this palette. We're gonna do some chit-chatting. Am I gonna do swatches? I don't even wanna lie to you guys. I don't think I'm gonna do swatches. I might swatch a couple of the shades, like some of like the shimmers, the ones that I didn't like swatch my hands. I might do some of them, but I mean, they have swatches on their page. I'm sorry, you guys. I really do hate doing swatches, and especially I hate doing swatches when the palettes are like so large. Like, and I have long sleeves on today, you guys. Forgive me, but it's gonna be a no today. Okay, I'm so sorry, but I love you guys. Be back shortly. All right, you guys. So this is a completed look, and I absolutely love the way this look came out. Like, this is so just. Oh, this is beautiful. Okay, so let's talk about this palette. So this palette retails for $39, and you get, is it 24 shades in here? Yeah, 6. Wait, hold on, wait. I never do this right. You get 30 shades in here. 6 times 5 is 30. Yes, that's 5. That's 6 across. So you get 30 shades in here. You get a combination of matte shimmers with 1 pressed glitter, which I was not expecting. The pressed glitter is this like pinky shade right here. So I feel like I got a good use out of like the shades that I really care about, which were like the purple, well, the darker shades pretty much. Those are the ones that I'm like, I need to see how y'all perform, and I feel like they perform very well. This eye look looks really, really, really pretty. So I just want to swatch a few. Like, I want to swatch this orange right here. I mean, mattes don't really swatch the best. So I don't really like, you know, judge them. Ooh, that's not too bad. Okay, that's not too bad. Let me swatch like some of these shimmers. This like that goldy shade right here. Who else? Let's do like, there's this like dark purple up at the top. This shade right here. Ooh, this looks beautiful. Oh my gosh. So this palette really has so many like combinations, and like you can do a lot with this palette. Like, I am really, really excited for this. I feel like this right here is like, you know, exciting, and like, not that it's anything revolutionary. Like, we've seen stuff like this before. Obviously, rainbow palettes are not new, but we're talking about Juvia's Place last year, 2021, and Juvia's Place 2022 right now. Two different people. Like, last year they gave us a bunch of 6, like literally they gave us nothing but 6 pan palettes and like 4 quads. So to get like some color is kind of fun, because we were getting a lot of like very monochromatic palettes that were very, you know, just honestly a lot of like the same kind of color stories, just mix and match, like the blush, the bronze, I love all the other ones. I feel like the best thing they had last year would be their Allure collection, but even then, So I mean, I am excited about this. I feel like, and I caught it, you guys. I said, I was like, I'm hoping that they give us something really good this year, because last year I felt like they were just not worried about eyeshadows. So, you know, this is what they gave us. Now, obviously, none of these colors are just like new. Now, this was actually a lot bigger than I was expecting, because they also have the Wahala palette here, and this one has, how many shades are in here? It has 30 shades as well too. So I was like, oh, it's probably gonna be this size. No, there's a massive size difference. And then I also have the Magic palette here, so you guys can get an idea of how big this palette is. This will probably be their biggest palette they have in their entire collection. So yeah, it's been a minute. I think they kind of caught on, because they gave us nothing but small palettes last year. So, you know, we got this here. So I am excited about this palette. I definitely want to play with it more. There's definitely so many combinations that you know, can be done. I will say, even though this is like a rainbow palette, I wish they would have given us like a true yellow, like, and then I would say they could have given us like a darker matte blue, because it's only blue. Well, these two are mattes in here, but I mean, they did give us a bunch of blues last year, like that Allure palette. It was kind of like, here's your blue, you know. So we also have the Wahala palette as well too, that had lots of blues in there. So I feel like what they do with their palettes is like, it's meant to be used with other things that they have that's in their lineup, because it's just so many palettes. But I mean, overall, it is a nice palette. I did use a 10% discount code. I don't have a code with them, but I used the code Infamous. So if anybody wants this palette and you want to like wait for a review, I definitely recommend it. I love it. You guys know I pretty much love anything Juvia's Place puts out for the most part. And this right here, you know, was my girl. And then also, wait, one more thing. They have this huge thing right here that's showing it's like red, and they don't have a single red in this palette. Like, yeah, if they would have just given us like a nice red and a nice yellow, that would have been great. But yeah, this is the eye look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really enjoyed creating this look. I'm really excited, even though like I'm about to sit here and edit this video. It's 4:28 right now, so hopefully I have this video up for you guys by 7, if not probably like 8 o'clock, but we shall see. But yeah, comment down below if you did pick up this palette, or if you plan on picking this palette up, or you know, just your overall thoughts. But yeah, until next time, I'll talk to you later. Bye.